What if I told you that the same market where banks and billionaires trade every day is the same place where millions of beginners lose their hard-earned money? Forex trading, the biggest financial market in the world. But is it really a way to make money, or is it just another scam? In today's video, we're diving deep into the truth about Forex trading and day trading. We'll break down the reality behind the hype, expose common scams, and reveal whether it's actually possible to make money trading Forex. Stay till the end, because I'll also share 3 secret strategies that pro traders use to actually profit from Forex. So, let's get started. Part 1. What is Forex trading and how it works? Forex, foreign exchange. Trading is the global market where currencies are bought and sold. It runs 24/5 and trillions of dollars move through it every day. How it works? You buy one currency while selling another. If the value of the currency you bought goes up, you make money. If it goes down, you lose. But here's the catch. The market is highly volatile, unpredictable, and dominated by institutional traders with deep pockets. What do you think? If trading was so easy, why isn't everyone rich? Part 2. Is Forex trading a scam? Forex itself is not a scam, but 90% of traders still lose money. Why? Here's where the scams come in. Fake Forex gurus promising overnight success. Signal groups that give fake profitable trades. Ponzi schemes and MLM disguised as Forex training. High leverage trading traps beginners into huge losses. Manipulated brokers that trick traders. Have you ever come across a trading guru who promised to make you rich? What was your experience? Part 3. Can you actually make money with Forex? Short answer, yes, but only if you master the game. The real way to make money in Forex. Long-term trading, not day trading. Risk management and emotional control. Understanding fundamental and technical analysis. Using low leverage and proper trade sizing. Why most people fail. Get-rich-quick mindset. No proper risk management. Gambling instead of trading. If making money in Forex is so hard, why do you think so many people are still trying it? Part 4. The truth about day trading. Day trading sounds exciting, but is it actually profitable for most people? The harsh reality of day trading requires years of experience and discipline. Over 80% of day traders quit within 6 months. Emotional trading leads to massive losses. Market manipulation affects retail traders. Even big hedge funds struggle with day trading. So why would a beginner expect easy profits? Would you rather make small, consistent profits over time or risk everything for quick money? Part 5. How to trade Forex without getting scammed. How to avoid Forex scams. Only trade with regulated brokers. Ignore gurus who promise fast profits. Learn the basics before risking real money. Always use a demo account first. 3 secret strategies pro traders use. Trade only major currency pairs like Euro to US dollar, Pound sterling to US dollar. Use a solid risk-reward ratio. Never risk more than 1 to 2%. Follow economic news and global market trends. After learning all this, do you still think Forex is worth trying? Why or why not? So now you know the truth about Forex trading and day trading. It's not a scam, but it's not easy money either. The real question is, are you ready to put in the effort, or will you fall for the scams? If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Comment below. Do you think Forex trading is worth it, or is it just another trap for beginners? And don't forget to subscribe to Investosphere for more real money-making strategies. Turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. See you in the next video. Stay smart, stay safe, and keep learning.